What does it say?
What's this?
No. What number is this?
Pa.
What does this say?
That's this now.
OPPO Reno. What number?
Pa.
5. Very good.
It's
Lalo yung tinapon mo, Sunny. Okay, say hi. Hi. I'm here with baby Sunny, and today we're gonna be doing a different type of unboxing. So this is an OPPO Reno5 5G. It has 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and the color is galactic silver. So, Sunny, do you want to open it?
Open.
Open. Wait. Come here. No. Huwag mo si Papa. Open. Hirap. Look at the box. Wow. It's a black box. What color is the box?
Black.
Black. Very good.
Mo. Ito.
Blue.
Fast.
Blue. Number 5. Okay, open it. Next. Open. So here it says OPPO. So there's a cover. Can you remove it?
Yes.
Yes. So
It's open.
do you want to open that? Okay, let's open it.
Oh.
What's that? What did you see
Phone.
inside?
Phone.
Is it a phone? That's not a phone. That's a case. That's a smartphone cover. So we have a smartphone cover. We have documentation. Jelly case. Oh, you got the phone. Sunny, sinira mo na kagad.
Bago phone.
Bago phone. Wow. Show it to the camera. Show the phone to the camera. Show it to them.
Oh.
So we have this galactic silver OPPO Reno5 5G.
I did that. Sick. That's real nice.
Has this quad camera module at the back. Nice matte finish.
Basa mo.
Turn it on. Turn it on. You want to read the manual? Gusto mo basa? Why? Open mo na yung phone para pwede ka na mag-play.
Oh, bago yun.
Ayan na, oh. Oh, open na, oh. So while baby Sunny is busy starting up the new phone, we're gonna take a look at the rest of the box. So over here we have the adapter. This is a 65 watt power supply unit. I'm having difficulty reading it.
Help me.
Okay, we'll start it. Okay, Sunny, start na.
You die.
Yes, new toy. So here we have a wired headset, USB Type-C cable.
Me.
Here you go. It's a new toy for Sunny. Okay. And
Phone.
so here's the phone itself. Let's show it to them. Show me. Ah! So here's the phone. It runs Android 11 out of box.
Wait, that goes.
And for the UI, we're running ColorOS version 11.1.
Color. Color.
Okay. So let's try to play YouTube. Leave it there.
YouTube.
Log in tayo sa account.
YouTube.
Lagay natin yung case. So eto siya with the case. Here it is with the case. Wait. So let's try the video capabilities.
I started by adding in my food, closing everything
Is it loud? Lakas?
and plugging in the wire.
Lakas ba?
No.
No? Show natin. Show mo sa kanila. Okay.
You then.
So guys, my first impressions of this phone is that it looks really premium. I'm used to more rugged phones that are much heavier and thicker, but this phone is real thin, and the camera hump is very small as well, almost unnoticeable. So it's just a very slight hump. And I really like the back of the phone. It's made of plastic instead of glass, which means it's not gonna smudge or crack easily. That's gonna break hole. And it has this very nice texture to it. And it has this really nice color changing design, which changes when it hits the light. Apart from that, you get quad cameras. You get a nice 64MP quad camera right here. And of course, you get 5G capabilities. Okay, what else can I say? It has USB Type-C support. And the front isn't that bad. We have an AMOLED panel with a punch hole for the front-facing camera. You also get a under-display fingerprint scanner, which some people like. I personally prefer a physical scanner to the back or to the side where the power button is, but hey, that's just my preference.
That's my phone.
Okay, this is your phone now. So with that, we're gonna end this quick little unboxing, and if you do have any questions about the new OPPO Reno5 5G, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them in the next video. In the meantime, this has been Kuya Den and Baby Sunny, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Paalam. Hold your phone. Hold.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Here for Toys Unlimited, and today we are going
Hold your phone. Show your phone.
this pony and
Show your phone. Show your phone.
that has over 1,000 miles.
What's that? What number?
Phone.
Phone? What number is it? 5?